Hello folks, welcome to the shop. I'm Dean with Dean's Woodworking. You folks come on in, make yourself comfortable. Tonight we're going to do a little bit of shop update, let you guys know what's going on and what's been happening and what to expect in the near future. So I have said for some time, once I hit 500 subscribers, we were going to do a giveaway. Actually, we hit 500 subscribers last week and the subscribers just keep coming in. I can't thank all of you folks enough for watching, the comments, the kind words. I really appreciate it. Let me show you guys what we're going to be giving away. I told everybody once we hit 500 subscribers that we would give away a mallet, and that's exactly what we're doing. This one is made out of an oak limb. I made this one several years ago that I've used myself, and my gosh, I've been using it for years and you can see it's held up real well. So I decided to make this one. It's got some really nice color in it and I look forward to giving it away. The details on what you need to do to enter the drawing for that mallet are going to be on the mallet video, and I will be releasing that tomorrow. So if you haven't subscribed, you want to go ahead and do that so that you get notification of that video being released. Good luck. I hope you are the person that wins. What did we do last week? Well, on Monday, we released a whistle. So far, my most successful video. Again, folks, I really didn't start pushing the videos and trying to do anything on a regular basis until the end of January this year. And it's pretty excited that in less than a week, the video on the whistle has had over 1,000 views. And I know that some of the bigger channels, they probably get that 20 minutes after they uploaded the video. But for me, it's exciting. Okay? So thank you all for watching. I can't thank you enough for watching. The other project we did this week was upload a video on these panels. For some time, I've been uploading videos and people have been asking me about these panels back here. My idea was to get out in the driveway and do a video where you can see the whole panel and all of that. Well, that's too much dependent on the weather and the lighting and everything. And finally I just decided, well, we're going to have to come up with a different situation. So I made one of the small panels right here at the lathe. The thing about these panels is you can make them any size, from this size right here, which I'm actually going to use. It's going to go right behind the tailstock. I've got a bigger one over it. This one's going to go right under that and clip to it. So it won't be wasted. It will actually be used. So what can you expect this next week? Again, the mallet video is coming out and I'm super excited about that. I think you guys, hopefully you're the winner. Somebody's definitely going to win the mallet. But if you don't win the mallet, they are so easy to make on the lathe, so quick. It doesn't take long to make one. And again, it's made out of a simple oak limb. So it's not like you can't make your own. And then you never have to worry about whether or not you've got a mallet. You can make as many as you think you need. Keep one in every corner of the shop. The other thing, the Worldwide Woodturners has put up a challenge for everyone to make wig stands. So I am in the process of getting some of those made, and I am going to put up a video at some point this week of how to turn a wig stand with construction lumber. Yes, you heard me right. Not oak, not walnut, not cherry or some exotic wood, but construction lumber. Why construction lumber? Well, it's cheap and easy to get a hold of. Anybody can find it. You can go down to the local box store and buy it. Or if you've got some construction sites in the area, they'll give you the cutoffs. And why wig stands? Well, these are going to be made and donated to folks who are going through cancer treatments. And, you know, anything we can do to help those folks out emotionally. We may not be able to do a lot for them physically. That's up to the doctors and hospitals. But if we can help them out just a little bit emotionally with a gift of something as simple as a wig stand, as wood turners, I think that's an awesome thing to do. And I will challenge everyone out there. Get you some construction lumber. take a few minutes of your time, turn a wig stand, and let's donate it to your local cancer center. Those folks will really appreciate getting that. One other thing, if you haven't tuned in to worldwidewoodturners.org, just go to that website, click on the meeting. Wednesday evenings about 6 o'clock Central Time is when everybody starts logging on, and we'll visit for an hour or so, and then at 7 p.m. Central Time, we have a program, and usually we shut down by 9 p.m. Central Time. You owe it to yourself to come on and see what it's about. There's a lot of turners on there. Usually we have over 100 people in attendance, and just a tremendous amount of information and different folks showing different things they've done. I think you'll truly enjoy it. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and happy turning.